right, guys, let's check out the Big Spring State Park Nature Trail. A natural community in the Texas Crossroads. Lots of flora, creature comforts. I love how they've put all the signage here in all these parks. It's beautiful. Okay, I think it loops. I believe that says this one's a loop. We'll see. You see, buddy? Onward march. Lots of cake. Oh, hold on. No, I take you wants to explore a little bit. Ready, bud? These bushes over here. So it looks like you can loop around this way, but the gentleman just said we go up this trail this way. So we're going to check it out. We're holding the pups back a minute because he had a puppy with him too. And they get a little hyper when they see other babies. Okay, so here's the actual sign for the nature trail. Let's do it. Okay. It says the reddish-orange hairy drupe is edible but sour. Indians mix stomach leaves with tobacco to flavor it. The leaves were also used in relieving asthma. Okay. A little bit of holistic medicine lessons here. Yeah, the signs are kind of hidden. Oh, here's one too. It says number 7, cat's claw. Wait a minute. It's browsed by deer and livestock during stress periods. Interesting. That said number 7. I don't know. We might be missing some of the signs. There was a 3, then a 7. Yeah, some of the foliage is up quite a bit. Okay, so that's where you go back around when we come back down, I think. Looking for signs, looking for signs. It's a nice path. Oh, look at this little spot. Let's stop and get the puppies a drink. Okay, we have a number 18, an important plant in the life of the Indian. The flowers were eaten, leaves furnish for sandals and baskets. And the roots were used for soap. Okay. Yeah, these right here.
Oh, these.
Oh, be careful up here. It gets a little rough to walk. Come on. And of course, Bellamy gonna take the hardest way. Your little short legs back there. Okay, now here's number 4. It says the prickly ash, tickle tongue toothache tree. The leaves of the leaves of some species were chewed as a counter irritant and a primitive treatment for a toothache. Okay. Hello, Octavia. Oh, it looks like something cool up here. Okay, so we're going up. Ooh, the steps just get higher and higher. Not for the faint of heart. Still going up. Oh gosh, guys, look at this up here.
Oh, wow. Where's the hopper that
Very pretty. Texas holly, an evergreen shrub with spiny holly-like leaves. Fruit ripens in early summer and can make an excellent jelly or wine. Roots have been used for medicinal purpose and can be used to produce a yellow dye. Okay. I am not mad at this view. All right, guys, we're going to close out our nature walk at the Big Spring State Park with a few random snapshots we took along the way. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure and subscribe so that you can follow along.